How to get live support in FxPro. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to get live support in the FxPro application, then the process is quite easy. Launch open FxPro on your device and log into your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and tap on your profile name at the top left corner from the home screen. Now once you do that, scroll down and click on Live Support option under FxPro Application Tour. Now on the next page, tap on Live Support. Now select your language from the list and choose your channel from where you want to get the live support. Choose any one option. I'm just going to choose the chat option. Now go ahead and answer the question and you'll be able to get the live chat feature. Enter your name and email if asked, and then once you type down your information, you can then mention your issue that you have with the chat support. So that is how you can easily contact the live support team or get live support in FxPro. You can also choose any other channels that you want to get the support from, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.